about done. They got some freaking light. TNT with that. Maybe you have the barcode that tells you, what I'm saying. What it is. Color, height, and the noise, bruh. Does Famsss do that? I don't think so. Check it out. We about to close y'all, but I'm gonna need y'all to come through tomorrow up until the 4th. Yes sir, Nate. We out here, bro. Come through. At Napa. Look at that. Everybody want the big stuff, so we almost out of that, but yeah. And they got fancy. See, instead of using this, damn, what is it? The iPad. Did you guys have the iPad out there, Tessie?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was trying to see it. We're gonna put it here until we get another one. TNT. Cousin Polly, I'm gonna need you to come through too. We about to close up though. We close at 10, we open up at 9 o'clock. Here in Napa, you can't even see their sign. Yep, come through folks. Support our Good Samaritan Church. Yep, take card, cash, everything. Come through. Alright, y'all. Have a good night. Alright, Big Heart. I'm gonna need you to come through, bro. Have a good night.